one of the ideas that's very current is public-private partnerships. Most of these are partnerships only in name. They're basically public-private swindles. Let me just describe the American one that I know better, that we call PPIP, Public-Private Investment Partnership. The government puts in 92% of the money, the private sector gets 50% of the gain, and the government picks up most of the losses. Now, how do you like that? Now, I got a email from one of the hedge funds saying, you know, it was actually a very honest email. He said, I think this is outrage, but as long as the government's going to do it, I'm going to get my investors in there. This is a great deal for me. There's a lot of people that I know in the hedge fund industry. They say, if you're going to do it, I'm going to take advantage. I think it's outrageous. In general, you think about it, things that much worse in UK, where they're taking government buildings, selling them to the private sector. It's a hidden form of borrowing, but it's borrowing at the interest rate that the private sector demands, which is 15%, rather than borrowing at right now, U.S. government and UK government borrow at 2%. Now, why would you borrow at 15% when you could borrow at 2%? It's a little bit of a mystery, except if you're giving away money to your friends. So it's a little bit of a mystery. Most of these public-private partnerships are very hard to find efficiency gains, very easy to find large wealth transfers, at very high cost to the public.